Pull out the emergency stop switch, turn on the key switch, lift the handle of brush tray shield, press the panel brush removal key to remove the brush tray. Take out the brush tray. Lower the brush tray shield handle, turn off the key switch, press the emergency stop switch, remove the cover and lift the sewage tank. Unplug the power plug. Remove screws to remove battery connector. Take out the battery. Unplug the brush disc motor. Remove sole and OID coil. Remove the 2 bolts on the left side of the brush tray shield. Remove the 2 bolts on the right side of the brush tray shield. Close the sewage tank and put the machine down. Close the main outlet valve. Remove water outlet link pipe. Remove the shield lift link bolts. Remove the brush tray shield assembly. Remove the motor inlet pipe. Remove the sole and OID valve assembly. Remove the shroud collision wheel. Remove brush tray link chuck. Remove the motor link bolts. Installation of brush tray shield. After aligning the parallel surface of the shield with the parallel surface of the motor, and install it. Install the motor link bolts. Tighten the bolt with force. Load the small chuck counterclockwise downward at the plane. Install the brush tray shield anti-collision wheel. Install the sole and OID valve assembly. Install the motor inlet pipe. Install the shield lifting link bolts. Pay attention to installing the flat gasket. Install the water outlet link pipe. Open the main outlet valve. Put the machine up. Install the left brush tray shield bolts. Install the right brush tray shield bolts. Open the sewage tank. Install the plug for brush disc motor. Install the sole and OID coil. Reinstall battery link battery cable and power plug.